Hey everyone, welcome back to iOS Hacker. Are you experiencing the annoying issue in which your AirPods Pro or AirPods Pro 2 is continuously blinking orange light and not charging? If yes, then you are in the right place, as that is exactly what we're going to help you with in this tutorial. The orange blinking light on the AirPods case usually indicates that there is some sort of issue that is preventing the case from charging. This could be due to a faulty charging cable, due to a hardware issue with the case, or due to debris stuck inside the charging port. No matter which specific problem you're facing with your headphones, we will attempt to fix it in this tutorial, so let's get started. The first solution that you should try with your AirPods to fix the orange light blinking issue is swapping the USB charging cable with another cable. More often than not, the AirPods case fails to charge and shows orange blinking light when there is an issue with the charging cable. It is recommended that you not only try charging with a different USB cable but also use a different power source. Doing so can potentially fix the charging issue with your AirPods. Resetting the AirPods can also fix the charging issue. You can do this by pressing and holding the button located at the back of the charging case. Hold the button until the light at the front of the AirPods turns amber. After the AirPods have resetted successfully, you can pair them with your iPhone once again. Doing this should solve the charging issue that you were facing. The third solution to fix AirPods charging issue is to clean the charging port. In order to clean your AirPods charging port, gently remove any debris using a clean, dry, soft bristled brush. Avoid sharp objects or liquids that could harm the delicate metal contacts inside, and never insert anything directly into the ports. There you have it folks. This is how you can fix the orange light blinking issue with your AirPods and charge your headphones. If you found this tutorial helpful, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in our next video.